There have been more than 2,600 influenza hospitalizations so far this flu season, according to the latest report from the Minnesota Department of Health. With more in-person holiday gatherings this year compared to 2021 and 2020, respiratory illnesses could continue to rise. KIMT News 3's Alex Dieter speaks with a Mayo Clinic pediatrician on how parents can keep their kids safe and healthy this holiday season.
Mayo Clinic Children's Center pediatrician Dr. Angela Matke tells me that this fall she's seen much earlier and increased cases of both RSV and the flu compared to the last couple of seasons. The flu has had the highest rates that she said we've seen since 2010.
Thankfully, it looks like the influenza cases might slowly be decreasing, but with people getting together over the holidays, we may see an increase in influenza cases again. In general, influenza is very high across the country, not only right here in Minnesota and Iowa, but across the country, very high levels.
Dr. Matke says flu vaccination rates are low compared to what they usually are during this season. The state of Minnesota is usually at around the 50% mark of people who are vaccinated, and right now, Minnesotans are sitting around the 20% mark. Dr. Matke understands it's rare for someone to actually enjoy getting shots, especially when it comes to kids.
For children 2 years and older and adults up to age 49, there is a nasal vaccine that's available to protect you against influenza, and it's quite effective, and it doesn't require an injection or a painful shot that children sometimes are afraid of, or even adults.
She says if your kid is getting a shot, have conversations with them so they aren't surprised and they know what to expect.
Children do not react well in my office when they don't know there's going to be a vaccine and we don't tell them. Having conversations before over and over again helps children feel more empowered and prepared on how they want to approach that injection.
She recommends asking your kids what arm they want the shot in, what they want to be doing when they get the shot, things that make the child feel more in control. In Rochester, Alex Dieter, KIMT News 3.
Dr. Matke says after the holiday gatherings, monitor for any symptoms, especially fevers, nasal congestion, and coughing. If you're feeling sick, just stay at home.